Most people spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars trying to fix their lives. But in Japan, the most powerful daily habits have always been free. Today, we're exploring 7 Japanese practices that cost nothing, yet quietly transform everything: your focus, your health, your sense of peace, and the way you move through the world. These aren't trends, these are centuries of lived wisdom. Habit 1. Kaizen, the 1% rule. In Japan, there's a philosophy called Kaizen, which simply means change for the better. But the secret isn't dramatic change, it's tiny, daily improvement. 1% better, every single day. You don't overhaul your life, you adjust it, gently, consistently, over time. Scientists now confirm that small habits compound just like interest in a bank account. The Japanese have known this for centuries. Habit 2. Hara Hachibu. Eat until you are 80% full. In Okinawa, one of the world's famous blue zones, people follow an ancient Confucian teaching before every meal. Hara Hachibu. Stop eating when you are 80% full. No calorie counting, no restrictive diets, just a moment of mindful awareness between bites, asking, am I still hungry or am I just eating? This single habit is linked to longer life, lower disease rates, and a fundamentally different relationship with food. Habit 3. Shinrin yoku, forest bathing. In the 1980s, the Ministry of Health in Japan officially recognized shinrin yoku, the practice of walking slowly through nature, absorbing it with all 5 senses. Not hiking, not exercising, just being among trees. Research shows just 20 minutes lowers cortisol, reduces blood pressure, and restores mental clarity. The forest isn't a backdrop. In Japanese culture, it is medicine. Habit 4. Ikigai, your reason for waking up. Every morning, millions of Japanese people are pulled out of bed not by an alarm, but by their Ikigai. Ikigai is your reason for being, the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what sustains you. You don't find Ikigai in a grand revelation, you find it in small daily acts: a cup of tea prepared with care, a craft practiced with attention, a conversation given fully. Habit 5. Ma, embracing empty space. In Japanese aesthetics, ma is the art of pause, the intentional, honored space between things. A room with one object, a conversation with silence in it, a schedule with breathing room. Western culture fills every gap. Japanese culture reveres the gap. When you stop crowding your time, your space, and your mind, something extraordinary happens. Clarity arrives. Habit 6. Wabi sabi, finding beauty in imperfection. There's a Japanese art form called kintsugi, where broken pottery is repaired with gold. The crack isn't hidden, it's honored. This is the essence of wabi sabi, the philosophy that imperfection, impermanence, and incompleteness are not flaws, they are the texture of a real life. When you stop needing everything, including yourself, to be perfect, you gain access to a kind of peace that no achievement can provide. Habit 7. Inemuri, the art of restorative rest. And finally, the habit most Westerners find shocking. In Japan, falling asleep in public, on trains, in meetings, at your desk, is not embarrassing. It is respected. Inemuri means sleeping while present. It signals that you have worked so fully that your body needs restoration. Rest is not weakness in Japan. Rest is discipline. Rest is part of the work. When you give yourself permission to truly rest without guilt, your waking hours become exponentially more powerful. These 7 habits share something profound. None of them ask you to buy anything. None of them require a perfect morning or a better life situation. They simply ask you to pay attention to your food, your nature, your purpose, your rest, your imperfections, your pauses, and your progress. Japan has been quietly living this way for centuries, and you can start today. If this resonated with you, subscribe for weekly Japanese lifestyle and slow living wisdom, and drop in the comments which of these 7 habits will you try first. Arigatou gozaimasu.